So this year is forecasted to be no less difficult, I think, than last year. It's forecasted to be a brutally hard market again. I think we're seeing a lot of that in the insurance space, already. I mean, we have about 70 insurance partners nationwide, and I'm having a lot of conversations with them. And I mean, probably, in the last week, I've heard more feedback from, some of our very successful brokers, just in regards to how difficult things have been, and for me, I'm just, thankfully these guys are partners of ours, and, we're helping them continue to grow and find success and, increase and have good retention rates even in these times. But man, so many of us, when times get tough, you run into these challenging moments. The tendency oftentimes is to kind of recluse or hunker down and really kind of, be fearful or scared to the point where you just don't really do anything. You kind of don't move. You don't know what to do. But it's so important. These are opportunities to elevate. These are opportunities to create real, meaningful, lasting change for your business. In this case, for our insurance agency partners. But man, you kind of got to step up and step out and do some things different. If you want to elevate, you've got to differentiate. In the insurance space, I mean, we're talking about a hard market, dealing with very challenging renewals and high insurance rates in a time when you've got inflation kind of across the board. And our clients, these business owners, I mean, they're looking for ways to control costs. They're looking for ways to reduce costs and, continue to grow their businesses as well. But, for us, I mean, we've been blessed. The last couple of years have been amazing and a lot of growth, and we expect this year to be no different because of what we're able to do to help our insurance agency partners really do two things. I mean, it's driving new revenue to existing clients and new business, but it's also creating revenue that's so sticky. I mean, even if you lose the insurance business, I mean, the revenue from our side still sticks, right? We're partnering with these agencies and we're helping them, equipping them to deliver world-class payroll and HR services. So our agency partners are now going out there and they're bringing something different to the table. I mean, plain and simple, you have to be different than the next guy down the street. You've got to start thinking about ways to increase revenue on your current book of business, the clients that you already have, and put things in place that make them stickier to the point where even if the insurance, on a particular line of insurance doesn't come back favorable, maybe you don't lose the business. Or maybe even if you do, you've replaced that revenue with something else, like what we're doing here with the Broker Collective and HRO delivering the payroll and HR support. But, our partners, on average, are going into, say, a 20-person company, a 20-person client of theirs, and adding on average about $4,000 a year commission to that opportunity. And the beautiful thing about it is, if they happen to get a challenging renewal and the workers' comp goes out of sight and the commercial lines are all out of whack on the renewal and they lose that client, they still got the revenue. Our service is super sticky. They're still making revenue on our side. And so it's just kind of been a beautiful thing, in a beautiful way for our partners to really protect their revenue, grow their revenue, and bring something meaningful and different to their clients, right? They're able to plug in a solution that helps their client be more efficient, grow their business faster, make more revenue. So now you're not just coming in there and, adding on a piece of insurance or a layer of protection to a business, but you're giving your client a resource to go make more money, drive new revenue, be more profitable, and it just makes your clients that much stickier. So just wanted to kind of give that, kind of quick refresher of what we really do here at HRO and the Broker Collective, but also just remind you that you got to be different, right? You have to have something different. You got to step up and step out of your comfort zone and deliver something different. This is an opportunity, guys. I mean, it's a challenging market, probably going to continue to be that way from forecasts we're seeing, for the remainder of this year. But again, I mean, this is, oftentimes when beautiful new things are born in the midst of these kind of challenges. And so You know, we look forward to partnering with you if we're not already. If you're one of our partners, you know, we're excited about this year and looking forward to dominating and helping you guys grow and elevate and make more money. Looking forward to a super successful year, guys. Be blessed. Have a great rest of your week.